Do you often show affection to your sweetheart? Unfortunately, I'm not so good at expressing my affection. Valentine's Day is coming, and he likes to eat sweets. This day is a good opportunity to express my affection to him. I'm going to make zero-waste citrus chocolate for him. I'm going to use the skins too, so clean it well to remove any chemicals and wax. I use my homemade dish soap to clean the fruits. Natural soaps don't contain surfactants, preservatives, etc., so they can be used for washing fruits. Compared to synthetic detergents, natural soaps easily decompose in water, making rinsing easier and reducing water pollution. And I use a hemp sponge instead of plastic one, so I don't have to worry about microplastics. Dry off water and slice the fruits as thin as possible, preferably into 1/2 centimeter pieces. Remove the moisture from the fruit by gently pressing it with a tea towel. Dry fruits in a preheated oven at 100 degrees for 50 minutes on the front and back sides. The drying time depends on the oven, the thickness of the fruit, and moisture, so be sure to check the time regularly and adjust it when needed. Fruit chips are ready. Cut some dried fruit into bite-sized pieces. Break white and dark chocolate into small pieces and put them in separate bowls. Melt the chocolate in a pot that's sitting in a hot water bath. Pour the melted dark and white chocolate into the ice cube mold using a spoon. Use a chopstick to mix the dark and white chocolate. Shake the mold to flatten the top a bit. Put the dried fruit in the chocolate. When the chocolate is still warm and melted, the fruity flavor and scent seep into it as if it were soaked in water. Chill in the refrigerator. Take chocolate out of the ice mold. The shape has come out beautifully. Chocolate with the flavor of citrus fruit, it's really delicious. My husband found the tangerines were the most delicious ones. I try to keep gift packaging at a minimum. The longer the relationship, the more we take the other for granted. The sweet expression of affection fades away. We get used to each other and often forget to express our gratitude. This Valentine's Day, give your sweetheart homemade chocolate treats and express your love. We don't need to buy ready-made expensive products with lots of plastic packaging. If you liked the video, please like, subscribe, and set an alarm and support us on this green and healthy DIY journey. Tune in next time for more eco-friendly and healthy DIY ideas. 고맙습니다.